Golden milk is rich in antioxidants, which help protect cells from damage, fight off disease and infections, and contribute to your overall health. Turmeric, ginger and cinnamon have strong anti-inflammatory properties that may reduce inflammation and joint pain. Some ingredients in golden milk may help preserve memory and reduce the decline in brain function from Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. Curcumin, the active ingredient in turmeric, may help reduce symptoms of depression. Turmeric, ginger and cinnamon all have properties that may benefit heart function and protect against heart disease. Cinnamon and ginger may lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. The ingredients used to make golden milk have antibacterial and antiviral properties, which may protect your body from infections. Their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties may strengthen your immune system as well. Ginger and turmeric may help relieve indigestion. Turmeric may also help relieve symptoms in people with ulcerative colitis. Golden milk can be rich in calcium and vitamin D, depending on the milk you use. Both of these nutrients contribute to a strong skeleton, reducing your risk of bone diseases, such as osteopenia and osteoporosis.